Hi friends, my name is Lauren and I'm a librarian at the Cranford Public Library. Welcome to week 12 of our We're Gonna Make It challenge. Each week I'll give you a new idea of something to build or make, and this week's theme is crowns. Let's get started. You'll need a piece of paper, a pair of scissors, a pencil, and a stapler or tape. It's also helpful to have something to decorate with. I've got these cool little sticky jewels and some crayons, but look around and see what might work for you. Start by drawing a zigzag. If you're feeling really bold, you can skip the drawing part, but I like to have an idea of where I'm going to be cutting my paper. There's no need to make a perfect zigzag. I think it adds a lot of character if it's a little bit uneven. And let's cut along the line that we've created. At this point, your crown should look like the jaws of a shark. Wow, 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 wow. I'm going to trim a little bit of the paper here so that this part of the crown will line up with this part of the crown. Perfect. You can already see what your crown is going to look like when it's done, but first, we must decorate. I'm going with a simple heart motif here, but please be creative. Make a crown that you love. Both halves of my crown are decorated. I'm going to measure a piece of paper that's about as tall as my crown. This will make my crown a little bit bigger. You might not need it for yours. Now we're ready to put all the separate parts of our crown together. I'm going to use a stapler, but you can use tape or glue or whatever you have at home. My stapler is a little wacky because it's used for making tiny books. You're going to want to staple all the parts together, but before you put your final staples in, measure it to make sure it fits your head. We could be done right here, but I want to add one final touch to my crown. I'm going to add one of these fancy jewels to the front of my crown to cover my staple, but you might have a sticker or something that would do this exact same job just as beautifully. If you want to try something a little fancier, there are a ton of free templates online. Like this Elsa crown, being modeled here by Bailey. Whoops! I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a crown. I picked this particular project because our summer reading theme is Imagine Your Story. It's all about fairy tales, folk tales, and myths, and crowns seemed like a great fit. If you'd like to be included in next Thursday's video, have a grown-up submit a photo of your crown to library@cranfordnj.org before Thursday night. I can't wait to see what you create.